Hi, welcome back to another session of anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to blur background of any of the photograph without affecting the image. And we will quickly see how to convert this to this. We had already seen in previous series how to apply motion blur to the background of any of the photograph. So in this session, we'll again learn to achieve same results using different techniques. Hello wonderful people, this is Anubhav Sharma from anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Make the streets louder.
Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open the beautiful cars image. So for this session, we are going to use this image to predict the motion blur. So we'll start quickly. First of all, just double click on the background, convert it to the layer, and by pressing Command or Ctrl J, make a copy, deactivate this layer and call it main. Now just go to filter, blur, radial blur. Now just select zoom and quality as good and increase the amount. You see the center point, you can place this particular point as per your perception of the image. That means from where you want to start the blur. So this will be the center of the blur. That means the blur will start from this particular point and will spread towards the edges. And once you have decided that where you want to apply the blur, just press OK. After doing it, just make the selection of layer 0, which is your unblurred image. Drag it on the top. Make a mask. Do Command I to invert or Control I in Windows. And then select the brush. Make sure the foreground color is white and select the opacity somewhere 50 or 60 and just click little bit. Decrease the opacity little more and then apply it gradually on the image. So just make sure the effect should not go beyond the car, and if it goes, just select the black, decrease the brush, increase the opacity and redo it. As you can see, this particular portion is getting unblurred, which we really don't want. This trail portion on the tires of the car is getting really good effect because once car is moving with the high speed, it always looks like this. Once you have achieved it, just do Command 0 and there you go, you have achieved it. It's very quick and easy way to achieve. So you just make a copy of it because that was the original one and we delete this mask. This was the original. And now we are done and we will quickly see what we have achieved with it. So we started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful result. Before and after. Now here's a bonus tip for you. We are going to see quickly for one another image using the same technique. I'll just do it fast forward to save your time. Now we have just achieved it in few seconds. So we started with this image and we have achieved this wonderful result. So you can achieve any kind of effect as you please. And don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Thank you. Alright, so as we have seen that how effectively and easily we can just apply blur to any of the photograph and we can convert the background of any of the image to the excellent blur effect. Using this technique, you can achieve wonderful results. In case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com or you can comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a fresh dedicated episode for your learning pleasure. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. Till the next time, this is Anubhav Sharma from the Anubhav Photography signing off.